Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how you can make this toad egg slime with only 2 ingredients. So I know there's a lot of slime recipes out there, but I guarantee you this is the best one you'll ever make. It's so fun to play with and it's completely natural, edible, organic, no glues, and what's even better is you can plant it out in your garden when you're done and grow your toad egg slime. So guarantee you haven't seen a slime like this one. So this slime is completely natural, really easy to make, it's edible, and it's growable. So here's our toad egg slime, and it's very easy to make. It's completely natural, only 2 ingredients, and it's pretty easy to clean up too. It sticks to itself quite well, and it's very, very fun to play with. And when you're done with it, you can pop it in a compost or put it out in your garden to go ahead and grow your toad eggs into plants, which is also fun for the kids. So this is a completely fun, natural, edible, and you can even grow your toad egg slime out in the garden. If you're not quite finished playing with it and you don't want to pop it out in the garden yet, you can just put it in a plastic container with a lid and it will keep for a couple of days. I just can't stop playing with this stuff.